I'm Bonnie Spade. I'm Executive Director of Workforce and Economic Development with Schmidt Training and Technology Center at Reading Area Community College. The center opened in 2006, and we offer state-of-the-art training and education programs for manufacturing and industry. Our programs include everything from basic mechanical training clear into automation and robotics. We're one of 3 schools in the nation that actually offers Smart Industry 4.0 training, and we can help our students to be able to be ready to be employed by companies such as Hershey, East Penn Manufacturing, Deca Battery, Bear Healthcare, Pepperidge Farm, and about 200 other regional employers that use production equipment that is very, very highly automated and robotic in order to manufacture their products.
The Center for Career Training, Community Education, and Professional Development at Reading Area Community College offers programs in medical and business occupations. Some of those programs such as dental assisting, medical assisting, nursing assisting, phlebotomy with EKG, we have medical secretary, and we have veterinary assistant. In class, students learn specific workplace content. They are ready for the workplace through hands-on experience in various medical and business sectors. They attend internships and externships off campus to receive the hands-on experience and clinical knowledge. After completion of the program, students can work in healthcare sectors such as hospitals, clinics, long-term care facilities, and business offices within the community.
I'm Dr. Susan Looney, the president of Reading Area Community College. And workforce training and development has been at the cornerstone of everything that RAC has done for the last 45 years. We will continue to invest and reinvest into equipment, into our science labs, and into our programs that are going to make sure that the future employees are well trained and well skilled for Berks County.